Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be checking out the Bell 505 helicopter. It's the world's first commercially certified helicopter. Look at that, 155 kilometers an hour.
Even though the engine's only that, that long, and it's only about, what would it be, maybe 80 kilos or something like that, it's putting out 550 shaft horsepower. 500, well, a bit over 500.
I guess a lot of it to make sure it's safe, but you don't want it breaking down, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, they're also reliable. Yeah, gas turbine engines have extremely high reliability.
So it's a gas turbine engine,
yeah,
worth $1 million. But what I want to know is how much does it cost to service?
Yeah, so generally when it gets to an overhaul, it can be like another $500,000 to overhaul it, but that's after 4,000 hours of use.
4,000 hours of use.
Yeah. So when you have private people that fly maybe 100 hours a year, they're never really going to get to that point because 100 hours a year.
And this helicopter, is it mainly for private use or the commercial?
Both, yeah. All helicopters really can do all missions, so they're pretty flexible. Yeah, you can have private owners. We have a lot of private owners in Australia and New Zealand with Bell 505. They use it just to go back and forth.
You got the job, man. You got the job.
Yeah, I mean, I used to be a helicopter pilot, that's what I do. I fly these things.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, but this one does commercial work up north. And they do utility. It's got a hook underneath it so you can pick up cargo.
How heavy can it be carried?
Maximum is 900 kilos, but really with pilot and fuel and a few things like that, you do between 600 and 800 kilos. Yeah.
It's awesome. And the inside, how does it got the most advanced electronics?
That's your glass. Yeah, you've got your glass cockpit there, and then the engine's dual channel FADEC as well, so it's all digital controlled engine.
It's all digital. So is it easy to operate, or do you?
Well, yeah, it is. It's very easy just to turn on, turn off, and all your glass cockpit really gives you situational awareness. You can see quickly, like, if it's all in the green, it's all good, and maps on there so you can see where you are. You can have a range ring so you can see how far you can fly before you need to land for fuel and all this.
I'm going to go in the back first, see what's like as a passenger. Yeah, it's very spacious. You got 3 seats. Don't know if you can get a baby seat in there. Yeah, it's really nice and spacious. Lots of room. You got seat belts, it's the actual hooks. Make sure you're nice and safe. I feel like I'm in one of those A-Team movies. Look at that. Oh yeah. So headroom space, a little bit. Maybe if I was 7 foot, I'd struggle a bit like this, but nice and compact. Around the front. Whoa! It's just all glass. If you can see all the way around, you must be trippy flying this in the air. You got a nice joystick and pedals. Look, you got pedals to accelerate and decelerate. One of these guys, and a fire extinguisher, make sure you're safe. And these are the screens to let you know about the weather, the color. If it's green, apparently it's easy to ride. We got the compass right there. Never been in a helicopter before. That was the first.
Awesome, I love that. So much fun. I've got to say, it's a definite win for the toddlers. All the toddlers are saying, helicopter, helicopter. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
All right, so that was the Bell 505 coming at $2 million USD. The engine alone is worth $1 million, but it's very, very practical. Private, commercial use can lift around 600 to 900 kg. What would you do one of these beasts? Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter.